Going to be showing you how to fix laptop speakers crackling. So here are the easiest and most reliable fixes for crackling or distorted laptop speakers. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is restart your laptop. Crackling is often caused by temporary glitch or audio driver glitch. And also you can turn the volume down. It only crackles in high volume, so the speakers may be clipping. Try lower volume to 60, lower than 60, 40, or test with a different app like YouTube, Spotify, System Alerts, and make sure that it is in the same for all of the apps. And also make sure that nothing is blocking the speaker vents physically. Dust, blankets, your palm can distort the sound. So check for speaker grills, bottom or side vents, and make sure the laptop is on a hard surface. If you're on Mac, then you can try just simply restarting. That should work. So if not, then you can try putting on your headphones, and if headphones sound fine, then the real speaker may be the problem and you may need to take it to a maintenance person. So there you go, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.